Good morning, everybody. John Phillips, JP Mortgages here. Today is the 15th of May, 2025. And the podcast today is all about you people watching in that have ailments and health problems. I've been doing life insurance all my life for 25, 30 years. I've now got a firm called the Insurance Surgery. And today I've got Charlotte Harding and Emily Ward with me today talking about what they do to help you. So after this podcast, go online, give them a phone call, and they'll help you get some life insurance cover if you don't think you can get it. This is the first time I've ever come across this, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Yeah, thanks.
Great to meet you both. So first of all, can you tell me how it was founded, the Insurance Surgery?
Yes, yeah. So we were founded in '99 by Mr. Paul Meller. So Paul started the Insurance Surgery because his wife was living with Crohn's. She couldn't find life insurance, and he couldn't find life insurance for her either. So out of a frustration, he actually started the Insurance Surgery solely for Crohn's. And then fast forward to today, and we're helping hundreds of people with medical conditions, or thousands of people, sorry, with hundreds of different medical conditions. And we're known in the industry as a specialist for medical conditions and dangerous occupations as well.
Wow, that's great. So for getting those looking in with ailments, at the end of this podcast, we'll give you your numbers out. So can you give me some ideas for people watching, some kind of case studies you've come across, somebody who didn't think they'd get the life cover and they did and they're pleased about it?
Yeah, there's one in particular for me, and then Em will probably have a different one. But for me, it was a woman. So she's a mother. She had breast cancer. It was in 2021.
So quite recently then?
Yes. She got the all clear, but then she was looking for life insurance, obviously, because she had cancer. And when you have a medical condition, when you get diagnosed with something, you are unfortunately forced to think of your future and what it looks like for yourself, but also your loved ones. So she was getting quoted for life insurance around £200,000, £150. Totally unaffordable for her. So she found us on the internet. Again, we're normally a last resort for people because they'll try a comparison website, get declined, and then they think I'm uninsurable.
Right.
Or if they really are desperate,
yes,
then they'll find us.
Wow.
Yeah, and so she found us, and we actually got her life insurance of £200,000, so what she wanted, for £40 a month.
Wow. Yeah. And these things take time. They don't happen overnight.
Yeah.
That's great. Can you tell me about your case, Emily?
Yeah, of course. So my favourite case study, because we've looked at a few recently, but we had a self-employed tradesman who worked at Heights, and he was looking for income protection. He'd made sort of multiple inquiries, and most of the time he just wasn't getting a call back. On the rarity where he did get a call back, it was to sort of say, we can't help you. And we managed to get him cover for less than £30 a month with absolutely no exclusions.
Wow.
Yeah.
So in addition to medical conditions, we're also really good at looking after people who are, maybe they have a dangerous hobby, or some part of their occupation requires some, whether it be working at heights or scuba diving or whatever it might be. There might be some risk involved in that occupation. We're really good at covering that as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Businesses. So we had a gentleman, and he had a list of medical conditions as long as you're on.
Yeah.
And again, we were able to find him key person insurance.
I can remember most of them actually. He was looking at for 400,000, and he had sleep apnea, a high BMI, fatty liver disease, raised cholesterol, raised blood pressure. And he also had pre-diabetes and tendinitis.
Wow.
And we managed
So there is an outlet.
We managed to get him 400,000 for £50 a month.
So from my point of view, being a broker, I set the mortgage up, get it all going. We're about to exchange contracts. So I would, based on what you've just said this morning, it's far better for me to refer the clients to you two early.
Yeah.
And say, ring these two now early,
yeah,
and see what they can do, and then whether you can have it or not.
Yeah.
And then you get on with the full underwrite and everything.
Yes.
Yes. So potentially, I think 65% of our clients go off application anyway. But on the small chance that we might need a GP report, that you could expect that really to take 6 to 7 weeks.
Yeah.
So if you know that you are going to be applying for a mortgage, it's better to get that application in early.
You want to do it in parallel, really, with the mortgage
The
rather
mortgage.
than after.
Yes,
Yeah.
in parallel. Yeah. And obviously, I've been looking online. You've been winning some awards.
Yes.
Tell everybody about the awards, please.
Yeah, so we are award winning. For 2 years in a row, we have won the Specialist Intermediary at the Cover Excellence Awards.
Wow.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic. Carry on.
It is. It's great.
It's great.
It's great to be recognised.
Yeah, these people have got you.
Yeah. But not only that, we also won Best Life and Protection Broker for Smart Money People in 2022. Emily has also been a finalist in the Women in Protection Awards, as well as 2 other advisors that we have had. So yeah, we're winning awards, being recognised within the industry, and it's great to be able to get our name out there.
Yeah.
For the insurance surgery hasn't really had much marketing opportunity until like the last 3 to 4 years.
Yeah.
And before then, it wasn't on Trustpilot. It didn't shout about what it did. And then we came on board, and we've really pushed that side. So we're doing opportunities like this, and we're going to events, and we're pushing the partnership side as well. So we're
Great.
really seeing a big improvement in our visibility.
Yeah, absolutely.
So my clients going forward, you can call me by all means, but you can call Emily on Emily, your mobile, please.
Well, my direct phone number is 01625 913 444.
And Charlotte?
Yes. My mobile number is, because that's the best way to contact me, is 075 135 80281.
And the website, please.
Yes, the website is theinsurancesurgery.co.uk, and there's a partnerships page